Nissan 350Z builders. Right, sorry for the 3-month delay. I ordered one bucket and it's taken 3 months to turn up, so I've not been able to do anything on the engine for 3 months, which is a bit of a mare. Right, now, cam timing. We've got the camshafts, everything's been cleaned up again and thoroughly lubed. Where we're at is now new tensioners throughout. I've got all new cam timing, cam chain and tensioners, everything's new, water pump, everything. But anyway, cam timing. On the exhaust we have the large dowel at 12 o'clock exhaust, so the cam lobes on will be pointing up. On the inlet we have the large dowel at 6 o'clock in line with the mating surface, and the small dowel at 12 o'clock. Now, to make life easier, when we put this bank together, which is, if you're in the UK, the offside, driver's side, these naturally drop into this position. They don't naturally drop into the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock. They drop into the exhaust with the dowel about 2 o'clock, the same with the small dowel on the inlet. That's not a problem. Drop them in that position, because this piston's at top dead centre and the cam lobe is down here, the cam lobe on the inlet's up here. When we rotate these cams back, once it's all buttoned up, the lobes are coming up and that lobe is coming in a bit, so both lobes will be pointing in that sort of area, so there's no worry about fouling the pistons. So don't worry about that, zip it all up in that position. Crankshaft is lined up there with your mark on the pump. Don't forget it's a 370 uprated pump, so that's all good to go. So I'm going to leave it here for the moment, because when I put this cap on, it'll have to have sealant on. What I want to do is show you where to put the sealant, because it goes in a particular area and you don't want to put too much on, because if you get it in your oil ways, it'll block up your oil ways and you'll get a cam grinding away. Anyway, I'll knock off here tonight and I'll get everything ready and I will pre-prepare the cam caps, and then when they're done I can put it all together and show you. But oh, and what I didn't mention was I put a new anti-knock sensor in there, as it's buried in the bowels, you know, on top of the block. Obviously everything's flowed and all new gaskets, so looking good. I don't know if I mentioned, in your gasket kit you should have new O-rings, so when you do put your cam cap on the front of the engine, that'll all clamp down, because that's your oil pressure for your tensioners. Yeah. Okay, I think that's about it. I hope that's helped, guys.